Cause it's either y'all gonna grow with me or I'm gonna grow without you. I'm gonna grow regardless. Welcome to another video. Today we finna trade as always, you know what I'm saying? See if we can find a position. Say do a little live trade. And I'm gonna try to do a breakdown, right? Because I've been realizing that I don't even realize that when I finish trade, I don't even do a break. I said I'm gonna do a breakdown and I always forget to do a breakdown. But I'm gonna try to get one today. Take a trade, win or lose, still post it up, and give you all a little breakdown on why I took the trade. So yeah, man, without further ado, let's get into it, see what we can find. Yeah, so in our first trade right now on the second trade actually on the Nasdaq. First trade got stopped out at break even on gold after being up like 200. So we're gonna see where this trade can go. Let me delete my stop loss. So my stop loss is actually that green line, but I don't want to put a stop loss. I have PTSD, like, you know, the broker can see my stop loss and I don't want it to stop on me. But yeah. Yep. So at this point, this trade taking a little longer than expected. So I'm gonna hit y'all up when it do something. I said I was gonna do a breakdown of the trade, so I'm gonna just hop into that right now real quick. But firstly, don't mind the whole hat fit and everything. As I always say, I got things to do. I'm not just some internet dude. I actually get my hands dirty like a man should. I just came from outside doing some yard work and I forgot that I had to break this down, so I just quickly jumped on the charts to just show you the trade this morning. So first of all, we hit TP1, then TP was just perfect price, instantly reversed. The only reason I didn't held TP2 was up here. Don't mind these. The only reason I didn't held TP2 up here was because price reached TP1 around 1 o'clock. So price took hella long, was consolidating a whole bunch in here. So seeing that be the case, I just use TP1. I normally go to TP2 when there's a lot of momentum in the market. You know, going down heavy, going up heavy, then I let it run to TP2. But price was just itching to go to TP1, so that's where I took off my profits. Now let's break down this. First of all, let's break down gold trade first, because I actually took a trade on gold, but I stopped out break even. So first on the 15-minute, when the New York session opened around here, 9:30, what is that? Yeah, around here. I saw that we had a previous structure point formed in London, the previous London low right here. So, and this is not an in detail breakdown, I'm just quickly going over it, right? So yeah, I saw the break here from this candle 9:15. So I was just since I got a 15-minute break, I'm expecting a retest on my lower time frames where I could take a sell to, you know, ride into my first TP or my second TP, which it did end up hitting. But I say I break out even because this thing right here came up and stopped me at break even. So I went on my lower time frames to see if I can catch that retest, and I did catch that retest right here. This was the first retest right here when price retested this level. Bum, you know, inverted hammer, what you call that, candlestick pattern? I forgot what you call that candlestick pattern, but this right here was an entry signal, but I didn't enter at that point. Price pushed down and then it came back up again where I saw some tweezer, inverted tweezer candlestick patterns. I was like, okay, bet I'm gonna enter right here. Bam, enter right here without an $80 risk, risking $80. I was up around 200 around here, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was up a good amount of money, and then price just came up, stopped me up. As I didn't stop out from a loss, stopped out from a break even. So yeah, that was just a gold trade. That was a real money maker. The NAS trade. Let me go over that real quick. And I have to make a different video to show you how I get my TPs, how I get them so perfectly. I'll make a different video at a different time going over that. See, as even today, the TPs on gold got respected perfectly. But that's for a different video. And the candlestick patterns, the ones that I use at least, that's for a different video. Because there's a whole bunch of them, but I only use like 4 or 5. Yeah, so. Alright, so on gold, I mean on NAS, right? So I had these structure points lined off, these Asian highs right here, and these London lows. So we had a breakout. I was first looking for sells, right? We had a breakout from the structure point here. I was going on my lower time frame to look for sells, but I got the retest, but I didn't get any candlestick patterns that I was comfortable with, so I did not enter. So then I was looking for price to break this structure point here, this 15-minute structure point in around the London highs, and price broke it, all right. But same, I think it was a trade on Wednesday when price broke out too far, or Monday, I'm not sure. I'm going fast, but normally when price break out from a structure point, this huge of a breakout, it normally never comes back down into the area. It just continues with the momentum. So then I highlighted this structure point here, this previous structure point in Asian highs. So when we got the 15-minute break from that, about 10 o'clock, that means at 10:14 the candle close. I went down on my lower time frames, my 1 minute time frame, so I could get those nice sniper entries to get the candlestick pattern that I was looking for. And this right here, my candlestick pattern, I forgot the name of this. I don't think this is a tweeze. I'm not sure. I forgot the names. As long as you know how the candlestick patterns look, you don't really have to know the names. But yeah, this was my candlestick pattern right here. For my entry signals, when I got that retest, price rejected with this black candle and then a nice bullish candle to seal the deal. Enter right there, stop loss below the low, and yeah, CP1 for about a 1 to 6 risk reward. That's the type, as I said before in yesterday's video, what's it called, Thursday's video. What will keep you profitable is consistent winning and or big risk to rewards, right? Because bro, for me to lose what I made on just this one entry, I'd have to lose 6 trades back to back, which is very unlikely, right? Because I'm risking $1 to make $6. So if I risk $1 make $6, I'd have to lose $6 in 6 different trades to go back to break even. You know what I mean? And I had another scaling entry right here when price broke this little this little structure box I had drawn up, and it made an inverted head and shoulders pattern. Had my area underneath this level, lining up with this high over here. Bam, for another 1 to 5, right? And I was risking again $100 here. So somebody would ask me, hey, so are you doubling up on your risk? No, my risk is still just $100 because this stop loss here goes in profit here, right? And so if price hadn't hit my stop loss, I'd have lost $100 from this trade, but I'd have made like a couple dollars from this first trade here because the stop loss was in profit. So at this point, it was still a trade that if everything goes wrong, I'm still only losing $100, although I added another position, right? So overall, my risk to reward went from a 1 to 6 risk to reward to a 1 to 11 risk to reward. Get me? So yeah, I risked $100, made $1,000. I came out like right here. You know what I'm saying? If I held to TP, I'd have made like a $1,100 for the 1 to 11 RR. But it was still cool, still a pretty cool day. Yeah, that's pretty much it. As y'all see, I was trying to meet my quota yesterday for $1,000 trade. Fell short of it, only closed out $580 something. But today I reached the quota of my $1,000 day. And yeah, we're just chilling. Hope y'all enjoyed the little breakdown. As I said, it was nothing too much in depth, but just so y'all get some of my thought process of what went on. So yeah. Alright man, so yeah, y'all saw me do this the entire week this week, apart from Tuesday, because I didn't trade any, I didn't put any trades on Tuesday. But yeah, make sure you go follow my page, my personal page, and my trading page, link in the description. And yeah, I don't think I ever showed y'all this, but it is, of course, a live account. We don't play with Monopoly money over here. I feel I could see that. Focus. Does it want to focus? I'll just put up a screenshot. But yeah, this account started at 3 figures and we brought it all the way to a couple thousand within the span of 2 weeks. So yeah, basically 1 week because I barely traded last week. But yeah, so it is what it is. The growth is gonna continue to happen. So make sure y'all stay subscribed and thing and watch out for new content. Cause it's either y'all gonna grow with me or I'm gonna grow without you. I'm gonna grow regardless. So yeah, man, just stay tuned for what's in store, and I'm gonna definitely drop some breakdowns over the weekend. So until then,